fully covered with concealer and some powder, and I have baked my under eyes to avoid kind of fallout extra falling on my concealed eyes. I'm gonna be taking the lightest shade from the Yes Please palette, and I'm gonna be putting it all over my eyes. I'm gonna mix two shades. I'm gonna be mixing these two matte shades. I'm gonna be putting it all over my crease. More of those two shadows. I'm just gonna be packing it on the same area. I am gonna take the lighter shade for creating a transition on the top of the crease. Now to add some depth, I'm gonna use this shade. I'm going to take this kind of flat brush. I'm gonna take the brown shade from the palette. You know, this one. Perfect brown shade for the crease. Bit of the Makeup Revolution concealer, the new one they launched, and I'm quite excited that I finally have this, and I'm gonna review this shortly. We are gonna use the TF Beauty 2 shades, and these are the 2 shades which I'm gonna use. I hope that I'm holding them up right. And this is the e.l.f. concealer brush, my favorite detailer concealer brush, which I actually use for my eyes rather than on my face. Now I'm gonna do my ombre with the burst shade. I'm so excited for this one. This one is so pretty. Can you see the duochrominess? I wish I could just apply it all over my eyes, because that was what I decided before, but you guys wanted me to do an ombre with this. The shade Art 230 from Makeup Forever. Just gonna do a quick base, because this video is not about the base, it's just about the eyes. I'm gonna use the new Makeup Revolution concealer. Now my eyes are already done, just gonna focus it on the other areas. Why I am still not over the viewfinder. I still have the mirror in front of me, still I look at the viewfinder for the mirror, but actually I have a mirror in my hand sometimes. Just all over my face with these two powders from NYX palette. I'm using the Real Techniques powder fluffy brush. This is so beautiful. I mean, I just love this. It's so puffy, and it's definitely a dupe for many high-end brushes. If you're looking for some powder brush, affordable but as fluffy as it can be, then this is the one.